My India, a poem by s.Kandasamy. India, my ever-loving India. Its flag is its fame. Everyone strives for the same. Saffron on the top, non-violence as our hope. White in the middle piece brought glory for peace. Blue stripes of the adorning wheel, our endeavors of the day it reveals. Green at the bottom, we are prosperous without linking all our Indian rivers. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, our tongues may vary. Christians, Muslims, Sikhs, and Hindus. We may be, but we are secular Indian in minds. Uniting diversity is our strength, the bond that makes India the great. Let's live for its glory, fighting corruption as our enemy. India, my ever-loving India. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for